Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Google Pixel 8. So first thing, go into battery and in somewhere, battery saver, enable the battery saver. Next thing is to lower the brightness. I can't do it. Then go to display and even you can enable the adaptive brightness. Yeah, I forgot the name. Then go into the quick settings and disable the internet, Bluetooth, quick share, and is there somewhere? Yeah, hotspot. Yeah, that's it. Disable these things if you're not using them, or you can just enable the airplane mode. Then we can go into battery once again, battery usage, and in here you have the usage of how much certain apps use your battery, and you can stop using them or use them less. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.